What's up guys, Cody over here at Form First Fitness, just giving you another garage tutorial. Today we are going to talk about plank shoulder taps. So, first off, let's get in that tall plank position. We're gonna have elbows fully elongated. We're pressing from the ball of the foot. I'm actively gripping the ground with my fingers, okay? Then what we're gonna do from here is I always like cueing to just go a little bit wider with that stance, maybe about 1 foot width out, and then walk the hands in just a few inches on each side. We should have a nice braced core, and then all you're going to do is try to bring the right hand to the left shoulder without letting those hips dip, okay? So we're not compensating with that hip. We want to keep that core tight, and we want this movement to be slow and controlled. As we bring both hands out, we're picking up that hand, letting those hips and that core brace as you drive that opposite hand to the shoulder, okay? This should always be a slow and controlled movement. We don't want to get too quick because that's when we start losing the hips a little bit, okay? Start nice and tight, and then if you want to separate those hands as that core gets a little tighter, go ahead and go for it. If you guys like this video, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe.